So in this video, I'm going to talk about the images in HTML. So this is my webpage currently. It has this text, this H3 text, which is a kind of medium-sized text, and this is my project. I'm sorry. So in this case, we will have to use the emg command. So that's emg. I mean img. I'm sorry. And as you can see, most of commands have to be closed afterwards, like h3 and then slash h3 or body slash body, but not in this case. We have to close it in the same line like this, and then we will have to use attributes, which is in this case is the command the attribute src, just equals, and then we type the quotation marks. Now here we will have to type in the location, the exact location of the file we want to insert. So in my case, I just download this image right here, which is called image1, and it's located in downloads. I mean, it's different for Windows, obviously, but in my case, I'm going to type it as it is here in Mac. So I have to say exactly this: users, a username, downloads, the exact same name of the image, which is image1.jpg, and that's about it. This should work, and it's not working. Oh, wait a second. Oh, because it's okay. Supposed to. The quotation marks are. It shouldn't be a problem for you, but there you go. But in my case, well, they need to be specific, right? Like there are several types of quotation marks, so like they need to be this type. So here it is, the image. It's that simple. It's text before and text after, just like we have in the project. Now, obviously, we don't always need the image as we downloaded it. Like sometimes we need it bigger or maybe smaller. So say we need to we like this the way it is, the image, but just smaller. We need to keep the scale, right? So for that, we just need to use one of these commands. One is height, like that, and the other one is width. Oh shit! Okay, yeah, sorry. And there it is. So when using just one of these, the image keeps a scale. So let's say we want it to be 100 pixels of height. Wait, sorry for the quotation marks. So if we save this, it will reduce, but keep it in the scale. Like it's the same as before. It's just like we're dividing the size of the image. But say we needed to cover the whole page like on a horizontal way. So we just type I don't know 1,000, a full 1,000. Again, the quotation marks. This shouldn't be a problem for you, but it is for me. So, and there it is. It stretches. So in this case, it doesn't look good, obviously, but in some cases it might be useful because maybe the image you choose is too thin, and you want to keep it as a banner on top of your webpage. So this should be really useful. So yeah, it's just height and width, and that's about it.